Get ready to turbocharge your drawing skills with our guide on how to sketch the iconic 1993 Toyota Supra. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a budding artist, this tutorial is designed to fuel your creativity and polish your drawing techniques. Foundation first. Kick things off by capturing the Supra's sleek silhouette. Sketch the basic shape and overall contours of the car. Add the side-bottom outline, emphasizing the aggressive fenders that give the Supra its distinctive stance. Define the front-bottom part, adding the grille and filling it in with bold black to highlight its sporty look. Move to the other side, starting from the left headlight and curving up to the windshield to craft its sleek profile. Add the second headlight and the intricate details below it to bring the car's face to life. Shape the roof and draw the aerodynamic spoiler, adding that extra flair typical of the Supra. Focus on the side and rear details that showcase the car's powerful build. Sketch the side window and mirrors, refining the Supra's dynamic appearance. Now let's add some details. Add the Supra insignia on the side door, at the handle, and subtle body lines. Draw the wheels and cast shadows behind them to create a sense of movement and depth. Erase the preliminary sketches and any stray marks. For those who love a clean, sharp look, go ahead and ink your sketch. Visit sketchok.com for visual steps of this tutorial and explore thousands of other drawing guides to keep your artistic journey going. Don't forget to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button for more awesome drawing tutorials. Let's put those pencils to paper and practice your drawing skills today.